Good morning, students. Today, part 2 of dissolution chapter we are going to start. Very important part this is. We will understand about working of its accounts and journal entries. Okay, chapter 7, dissolution of partnership firm, part 2. In last part, we have understood that following is the procedure to close the books of accounts. That is, all assets of the firm are sold, all liabilities are paid from the income realized out of selling assets, and if any remaining amount is there, it is paid to capital or redeeming capital. Now, the accounts which are prepared are a realization account, partner's loan account, if any, in the question, partner's capital in current account and cash bank account. Now, first we will understand the master account. This realization account is the main account. This is the main account of nominal nature. Which nature it is? Nominal. It is the main account for dissolution procedure. In this only all assets are closed, all liabilities are paid through this. Full process of dissolution takes through this account actually. So, let us check this account in detail first. Okay? Yes, realization account is an account which is prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership. Now, what is its work? क्या काम है? It helps to dispose of all assets. Not only this much, it even helps for payment of the liabilities. That's what this account is known as realization. In short, an account which is prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership to give accounting treatment to dispose of assets, means to sell assets, and to make the payment of liabilities is known as which account? Realization account. As I earlier told you, it is a nominal type of account. Okay? Nominal account. All assets and liabilities, but excluding what? Excluding cash and bank account are transferred to this account. See, dissolve करना है तो सारी बैलेंस शीट हमको बंद करनी पड़ेगी. अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी बैलेंस शीट का रिफ्लेक्शन लें, if you try to take that reflection of balance sheet, all capital goes to capital account. पार्टनर का लोन है तो पार्टनर के अकाउंट में जाएगा. कैश बैंक goes to cash bank account. But remaining all assets and all liabilities are closed and transferred to master account, realization account. Very important account at the time of dissolution of the firm. Okay, so here let us get some details how it is prepared. Okay. Yes, what I am trying to tell you, it is an account. T shape में ही बनता है. One side debit side, credit side. Left hand side is debit side, right hand side credit. Okay. Now what is done in this? Step number 1. All assets and liabilities are closed through it. As many assets are there in balance sheet, they are to be brought to realization. You can check, यहाँ से entry भी आपको पता चलती जाएगी. Realization में debit करते हैं. We have to close asset. Normally asset have a debit balance, तो उनको भी बंद करना है. यहाँ आपको shortcut में याद करना है asset है इसलिए debit side. Realization account debit to assets at their book value. Whatever value is given in the balance sheet, at this value they are brought. At the same time, all liabilities on the credit side, buy outside liabilities, whatever is the nature of the liability, asset भी कोई भी हो, asset का full list, जितने भी asset हो, whether they are furniture, land, building, machinery, investment, debtors, bills receivable, I mean to say, all fixed, tangible, intangible, fixed, current, all assets are to be shut here except cash bank. Cash bank goes to cash bank account from asset side. From liability side of balance sheet, all liabilities, that is bills payable, creditors, bank loan, expenses, provident fund, wife's loan, etc. All liabilities are closed in realization account Here you must note that capital goes from liability to capital account and partner's loan, if any, goes to partner's loan, except that all will be closed in realization account. Let us move. ये तो अपन ने सीख लिया, एसेट क्लोज हुए, लाइबिलिटी क्लोज हुई, ये एंट्री. लाइबिलिटी क्लोज करने की एंट्री क्या होगी? Here liability account credit to realization. लाइबिलिटी खुद क्रेडिट हुई है टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. ओके, मूव ऑन करेंगे. यस, backbone. Please try to understand. Liabilities also close in realization account, along with that provisions which are appearing in the balance sheet. All provisions. You need to pay attention more on the provisions which are created against assets. These provisions are also brought down to realization account, like provision for doubtful debts. आपको easy लगता है BDR, okay? BDR's balance. Even if it is deducted from debtors here, very, very important thing I am telling you. Debtors will be brought here at their base value. BDR as a provision will be transferred on the other side. Here, provision for depreciation if any is there. Investment fluctuation fund है, joint life policy reserve है. All such provisions which are for assets are to be closed to which account? Realization. Which side? Credit side. Entry, provision account, debit to realization account. सारे provisions को हम कहाँ बंद करते हैं? Realization में. ओके, नॉर्मली ये कहाँ होते हैं? बैलेंस शीट के लाइबिलिटी साइड पे होते हैं, यहाँ पे लाते हैं. सो ऑल लाइबिलिटीज, ऑल प्रोविजंस आर ब्रॉट हियर. Capital goes to its account again and partner's loan to its account. Okay, let's move. Next step. देखो, सारे एसेट आ गए, लाइबिलिटी आ गए. अब क्या करना है? पहले एसेट बेचेंगे. When you will sell assets by bank, sale of assets, but which price you will show? Selling price. If asset is taken by a partner, by partner's capital account, asset is taken. I mean to say, एसेट्स को बेचना है तो रियलाइजेशन में आएगा, लाइबिलिटी को पे करना है तो भी रियलाइजेशन में. तो रियलाइजेशन आई एम टेलिंग यू इज अ मास्टर अकाउंट. ऑल प्रोसेस ऑफ सेल ऑफ एसेट एंड लाइबिलिटी, सेटलमेंट ऑफ लाइबिलिटी इज डन थ्रू दिस अकाउंट. एसेट्स नॉर्मली इस साइड पे, डेबिट साइड पे क्लोज होते हैं. जब रियलाइज होंगे तो दिस साइड. नॉर्मली जब भी पैसा बेचोगे तो पैसा आएगा. जनरल एंट्री पास करने की कोशिश करें तो नॉर्मल सेंस में एंट्री कैसे पास करते हैं? कैश कम्स इन, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू एसेट अकाउंट. यहां पे उल्टा है. क्या है? डिसोल्यूशन बना रहे. एसेट तो बंद हो गया. नाउ वट एवर अमाउंट विल कम इन रियलाइजेशन. वट एवर पेमेंट विल बी डन, दैट विल बी डन थ्रू रियलाइजेशन. सो प्लीज अगेन आई एम टेलिंग यू, जो भी पैसा आएगा रियलाइजेशन में आएगा, जो भी पेमेंट होगी रियलाइजेशन में. तो पहले जैसे सेल किया तो पैसा आएगा, एंट्री बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. ओके, पार्टनर लेके जाएगा जिस भी वैल्यू पे, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन. ऐसे ही लाइबिलिटी की पेमेंट उसके ऑपोजिट, यहां लेके आते हैं लाइबिलिटी, पेमेंट ऑपोजिट साइड पे होगी. तभी लाइबिलिटी की पेमेंट के लिए ऐसे लाइबिलिटी टू बैंक नहीं लिखेंगे. एंट्री क्या होगी? Realization account debit to bank for payment of liability. Whatever amount, net amount after discount will be noted. Even for payment, for partner takes up liability, then entry realization account debit to partner's capital account if any liability. In short, to partner's capital. Partner लेके जाएगा तो to partner's capital, whatever amount he is agreeing upon. Let's move on. Now let's see what will happen after this. See, हम assets बेचे या partner लेके गया, liabilities we have paid or a partner has taken. After this we will see that dissolution expenses are paid. Entry, realization account debit to bank account. Realization expenses are paid. After this, realization account is shut down, close किया जाता है. Then in the case credit side total is more then debit, then that amount is transferred to partner's capital account. Here, to partner A and B, and such amount will be known as real profit. Transfer to pay excess. In short, excess of realization account is transferred to partners capital account in their PL proportion. Vice versa, if debit side total is more than credit side, then the difference will be transferred to partners capital only. But that will be noted down as loss. देखो journal entry भी simple है. In case there is a profit, entry will be realization account debit to capital. प्रॉफिट है इसलिए पार्टनर की कैपिटल क्रेडिट हो रही है, इजी. लॉस है पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन. मैं ये रियलाइजेशन है आपको यहां से डायरेक्ट एंट्री बता रही हूं, प्लीज कीप इन माइंड. इन द केस हियर व्हाट विल हैपन, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन इफ द लॉस. यहां प्रॉफिट होगा यहां लॉस होगा, रिजल्ट एक ही होगी. ओके, लेट्स सी दिस कंप्लीट्स अवर रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. ओके, हमने समझा कैसे एसेट्स यहां आती हैं, सेल भी यहीं होती है, पेमेंट भी यहां से होती है, पैसा आता भी यहां है, जाता भी यहां से. लेट अस मूव ऑन विथ कॉन्क्रीटली ऑल द एंट्रीज इन दिस फॉर दिस कंप्लीटिंग जर्नल एंट्रीज ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. अभी तक हमने सिर्फ रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट की वर्किंग देखी. ओके, all journal entries we have discussed in the format of realization, but let us once more revise it very nicely, concretely how they work. Okay, see, for closing entry, first पहले assets को naturally close करेंगे as already they are appearing in the balance sheet. Real entry, realization account debit to assets. All assets will be closed at their book value. Okay, we have to make this very important note in our mind. Cash and bank goes to their account. On top of it, if on asset side, if any profit loss balance is given, that represents accumulated loss. This accumulated loss will be distributed to partners in their capital account through in their PL proportion. And if any current account balance is there on the asset side, also will be going to its current account. Okay, I mean to say this is the thing which is showing you कि सारा एसेट साइड कैसे बंद होगा बैलेंस शीट. देखो सिंपल, वापस से फर्म डिसॉल्व हो रही है, बैलेंस शीट बिजनेस बंद हो रहा है तो बैलेंस शीट को क्लोज करना पड़ेगा. सारे एसेट्स रियलाइजेशन में जाएंगे, कैश बैंक अपने अकाउंट अलग अकाउंट में. ऐसा कोई लॉस होगा तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग पार्टनर्स. इफ एनी करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस इज देयर, दैट करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस ऑल्सो विल बी गोइंग टू वेयर, दैट ऑल्सो विल बी गोइंग टू इट्स ओन अकाउंट. ओके, लेट अस मूव ऑन फॉर लाइबिलिटी साइड, हाउ इट विल बी dealt in, or move on with the next entry. ओके, फॉर क्लोजिंग आउट, सी अदर साइड क्या होगा, कैपिटल बैलेंस शीट के दूसरे साइड कैपिटल लाइबिलिटी. कैपिटल गोज टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, पार्टनर का लोन होगा तो पार्टनर के. सारी रिमेनिंग लाइबिलिटीज एंड प्रोविजंस विल बी क्लोज्ड इन रियलाइजेशन. एंट्री आउटसाइड लाइबिलिटी अकाउंट डेबिट रियल. याद रखो लाइबिलिटी खुद क्रेडिट होती है, इधर बंद करनी है उल्टा, बंद करनी है तो उल्टा इफेक्ट, डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन. एसेट के केस में भी रिवर्स इफेक्ट आता है. वी हैव टू क्लोज इट, दैट्स व्हाई रियलाइजेशन टू एसेट. Okay, all outside liability, bills, creditors, bank loan, expenses outstanding, EPF, wife's loan, employee saving account, all, any type of outside liability will be closed. List पूरी यहाँ attach करनी होती है to realization account. Okay, let's go for next one. For closing provisions जितने भी हैं, provisions are such balances which are against assets. याद रखना, इसको किसी को हमको पे नहीं करना है. These are the balances which are the reserves created against assets where we need not pay anyone. Dissolve भी हो रहे हैं तो हम किसको थोड़ी कोई ढूंढने जाएंगे और लोगों को पैसे देंगे, नहीं. This BDR या provision for doubtful debts, depreciation, investment fluctuation fund, joint life reserve policy if any, all will be only closed in realization. Provision का आगे कुछ भी नहीं करना होता है. This is not to be given to anyone. They will remain or they will be closed by transferring on the realization. Which side? Credit side. Okay. These entries also earlier we have understood. Now when assets are sold or realized, cash comes in, bank account debit to realize. पैसा आएगा realization से वापस, reminder will go also from realization. Money will come to realization account. Will payment also will be done through realization account. Nothing will be done directly. Let us see, when assets are sold for cash, bank account debit to realization, cash comes in. Then partner ले लेगा तो यही फर्क, partner लेगा तो partners से पैसे लेंगे, partners account debit to realization. Whenever partner will make a payment or bear a loss, debit. If they are receiving any amount or they are having at a benefit side, partner will be credited. That we have revised so many times. Last but not the least, for realization of asset, if taken over by a creditor in settlement of some debt, very, very important, no journal entry is required if extent of amount is settled. Suppose आपने 4,000 का फर्नीचर एक क्रेडिटर को दिया है और उसको टोटल 10,000 पे करने थे, तो ये 4,000 का जो ऑटोमेटिक एडजस्टमेंट है, फर्नीचर गया, उसकी एंट्री दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. वी नीड नॉट शो. इफ रिमेनिंग अमाउंट इज पेड टू क्रेडिटर, दैट इज 6,000 इन कैश, ओनली दैट मच एंट्री विल बी शोन. But a direct settled assets entry, no journal entry is required to extent of the amount. Okay. So 3 realization of assets we have seen: sold for cash, taken by a partner, or given to settle a liability. Let us move on for other entry. Simple. For dissolution expense entry, dissolution realization account debit to bank account. I told you dissolution expenses are to be paid, but they will be paid through which account? Realization. So entry will be realization account debit to bank account. Okay. As per rules, first dissolution expenses are paid. Okay. So that's why we saw entry realization account debit to dissolution expense or to bank account. Now liabilities जब pay करनी है, if cash is paid for liability, entry realization account debit to bank. But which amount we will take? Net, जितना पेमेंट किया डिस्काउंट काटने के बाद. Partner if takes up the liability, realization account debit to partners capital account. All outside liabilities must be paid contingent or unrecorded even at the time of dissolution. Please keep this in mind. All liabilities are to be paid. Even if it is not clearly mentioned, they will be paid. Whether they must be paid, including contingent and unrecorded liabilities. Make this note. Okay. Let us move on. Okay. If any amount is paid to partner as a commission or remuneration for doing the services of dissolution, that time also the amount is paid through realization. So entry realization account debit to partners capital account. Okay. This entry also earlier we have done. Finally, when realization account is closed, if credit side is more than debit side, then the amount which is higher is transferred to capital as profit being transferred to part. So entry for surplus or profit, realization account debit to partners capital account in their PL ratio. Same manner we will see for the entry of the loss. Okay. Either there will be profit or there will be loss. In case of loss, reverse entry, partners capital account debit to realization account. Okay. They will share in their PL ratio. Okay. Now let's move on. Yes. Please, all of you make very nice note that if any accumulated profit loss like admission, like retirement, here also if accumulated profits or losses are there, that will be directly distributed to partners. So if profits are there, see accumulated reserve, investment fluctuation fund, accident compensation fund, profit and loss, ये जो accumulated PL होंगे, in the case these are profits, they will be closed and transferred to partners capital account directly in their PL proportion. Okay. Reserves and undistributed profit will be directly credited to partners capital account. Same, if debit balance of profit and loss account is there, which is loss, ये हमने देखा भी था, realization, that also will be going to partners capital account, debit to PL account. Whatever is the accumulated loss directly will be debited to partners capital account from the balance sheet. Okay, let us understand one more concept. Yeah, if in question or in balance sheet partner's loan is appearing, then it will be directly, balance will be brought to partner's loan account, which is separately open. Okay, and the payment of it is also directly done. That will be partner's loan account debit to bank account. Please make note of it. Partner's loan account is separately prepared and its payment is also directly done. Balance of partner loan goes to partner's account, partner's loan account, and payment is directly done by bank. That is partner's loan account debit to bank. This is journal entry for partner's loan treatment. Let us move on. Yes, if any credit balance is there in partner's capital account, it is also to be paid off. If debit balance is there, then also it is to be settled through bank account. Credit होगा तो partner's capital to bank direct. In case debit, तो bank account debit to partner's capital account. Okay, जैसे closing होता है. In short, partner's capital, credit और debit balance will be closed through bank. Entry भी आपको दिखा दी है. Let's move on. Now, very important concept of firm about expenses of realization account or dissolution expenses. Let me put you dissolution expense. Now, expenses which are there paid of dissolution, actually they are to be paid by firm directly. Okay, but if these expenses are paid by firm directly, but sometimes these expenses are differently used. Let us understand about them in detail. Yes, what I am trying to tell you, that if these expenses are paid by firm, then the entry is clear. Payment hai to realization mein entry will be realization account debit to cash bank account. If directly paid by firm, we have seen this entry. But sometime partner says, I will make the payment on the behalf of firm if partner is making payment. That time firm pays partner some lump sum amount. Entry, realization account debit to A's capital account. You understand once again. Directly paid by partner, realization to cash bank. Partner takes up the responsibility, then realization account debit to partner's capital account. Okay. Now, sometimes it is given that some lump sum amount is given to a partner. आप उसमें से कुछ भी payment करते रहो. In this case, if a payment is done by a partner, then that if lump sum amount is given by firm, for that entry will be realization to partner's capital. See, realization account debit to partner's capital account. Suppose 20,000 are directly given but to a partner. Entry है. ये books में ये entry. But for whatever actually is paid by the partner, that time entry, partner will make the payment. Partner's capital account debit to cash by the firm, paid by firm on behalf of a partner. तो partner से पैसे लिए जाएंगे. Okay, lump sum amount directly given to a partner, realization to partner's capital, and remain जो बाकी पेमेंट हो रही होगी उसके लिए पार्टनर से ही लेंगे, क्योंकि हमने ऑलरेडी उसको दे दिए. अब तेरे को जो करना है कर ले, 20,000 हम एक साथ दे देते हैं. बट उसके बाद जो भी पेमेंट होती है उसके लिए हम एंट्री पास करेंगे पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इश्यू. एवरीवन मस्ट कीप दिस इन माइंड फॉर डीलिंग जर्नल एंट्रीज. ओके ओके, we have completed all journal entries with this, so let us complete it. Okay, thank you everyone. Okay, bye, thank you. We will meet in next session with the practical of journal entries. Okay, bye.